Hello and welcome to today's video on how to make $10,000 from home. In this video, I will be sharing with you some practical ways you can earn a significant amount of money without leaving your house. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and tools to start making money from the comfort of your own home. Freelance work. One of the most popular ways to make money from home is by doing freelance work. There are numerous freelance opportunities available online, including writing, editing, graphic design, web development, and many more. To get started with freelancing, you can sign up for platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and start bidding on jobs. Affiliate marketing. Another great way to make money from home is through affiliate marketing. In this model, you promote products or services to your audience and earn a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. To get started with affiliate marketing, you can sign up for affiliate programs in your niche and start promoting products to your audience. Online teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can make money from home by teaching online. There are numerous platforms available that allow you to create and sell courses, including Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. You can also offer private tutoring services through platforms like Chegg or Weezant. E-commerce. If you're interested in starting your own online business, e-commerce might be the way to go. You can start by setting up a store on platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy and sell your products to customers worldwide. You can also create and sell digital products like ebooks, courses, or printables. Virtual assistants. If you have administrative skills like email management, scheduling, or social media management, you can make money from home by offering virtual assistant services. You can find virtual assistant jobs on platforms like Virtual Assistant Jobs, Upwork, or Indeed. Investing is another way to make money from home, although it requires some initial capital. You can invest in stocks, mutual funds, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. However, it's important to do your research and invest wisely to minimize your risk. Blogging is a popular way to make money from home, although it requires some time and effort to build an audience. You can start a blog on platforms like WordPress or Blogger and write about topics you're passionate about. You can monetize your blog through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Online surveys. While online surveys won't make you rich, they can provide some extra income on the side. You can sign up for survey websites like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, or Toluna and earn money by answering surveys or completing offers. Conclusion. In conclusion, there are numerous ways to make $10,000 from home. Whether you choose to freelance, teach online, start your own e-commerce business, or invest in stocks, the key is to find something you're passionate about and put in the time and effort required to make it successful. Remember, making money from home requires discipline, hard work, and persistence, but with the right mindset and approach, it's definitely possible. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your journey to making money from home.